to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making a delicious pumpkin masala and turkey pasta. This pasta is a great side to serve at Thanksgiving with your turkey, or it's even better if you make it after Thanksgiving using your leftover turkey. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. Let's start with the inspiration for this dish. This Zuchette pasta already looks like cute little pumpkins. I purchased this from Trader Joe's and I knew it would come handy for the fall. If you don't have this kind of pasta, you can use any other kind for this recipe. This package is 14 ounces, that is 394 grams. I'm going to add some oil to my saute pan and I'm going to allow it to heat up. Before I get to the pasta, I'm going to work on the pumpkin masala puree that's going to give a really nice ethnic twist to this Italian fare. Once hot, add 1 cup of finely diced onion, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic. I'm adding 2 cups of pumpkin chunks. These were left over from my pumpkin sambar recipe and I froze them so I didn't have to throw them away. I've thrown them into the pan frozen and they will defrost as they cook, saving me time. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm also going to add salt to taste. Mix this in and make sure that the onion does not burn. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water and I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Once the pumpkin is nice and soft, it's ready to be processed after it's cooled down. In the meantime, I'm going to cook the pasta in hot salted water according to the package instructions. The pumpkin masala has now cooled. I'm going to put it into my food processor and start to puree it. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of water just to thin out the sauce. In the same pan that I made the pumpkin masala, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of butter. I love how the butter is going to pick up all of that lovely residual masala. I'm now going to mix in some all-purpose flour. I've got 4 tablespoons and I'm going to add this in a little bit at a time. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, also just a little bit at a time, stirring as I go. Finally, I'm going to add in the pureed pumpkin masala and I'm going to stir. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of water just to thin out the sauce. Add salt to taste. I have leftover turkey, so I'm just going to add in 1 cup. But you could easily add chicken or you could even leave this vegetarian. Finally, I'm going to add in the pasta and I'm going to toss to coat. I'm going to put this in an oven-proof dish, add some oregano, sprinkle it with cheese, and I'm going to bake this in my 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese melts. Once it's out of the oven, just tuck in and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. It really is a fusion of two cuisines. I've taken all the beautiful goodness of a pumpkin masala and I've mixed it together with bechamel, which is more of an Italian, French style, and I put it together with this amazing pasta. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also, I love to hear what you think and I really read through all your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment below. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Till I see you next time, do take care.